Unit tests are tedious to write. AI doesn't think so. The most direct approach: give AI your function and ask it to write tests. Paste in the code, say write unit tests for this, and within seconds you have a working test suite. It reads your function signature, infers the intended behavior, and writes tests for the main success cases. Here's where AI really earns its place: edge cases. You might test the happy path, but AI will suggest cases you'd never think of. Null values, empty arrays, boundary numbers, negative inputs, strings with special characters. It draws on patterns from thousands of code bases, surfacing the kinds of bugs that slip through human-written tests. AI also handles the tedious setup: mock objects, before each blocks, assertion helpers, the boilerplate that makes testing feel like busy work. AI generates it all instantly so you can focus on the logic you're actually trying to verify. But don't just copy and paste. Always review the generated tests. AI sometimes writes tests that pass without checking meaningful behavior. They look correct, but assert the wrong things. A quick review ensures your test suite actually protects your code. AI turns unit testing from a chore into a fast starting point. Just make sure you review every generated test before shipping. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.